Gemini. This is a Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of February. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Gemini? Kamusta? Nakapag-isip na ba kung anong desisyon sa buhay? Nakapili na ba ng mamahalin ang mga Gemini? Let's see. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of February. Tignan natin ang para sa mga Gemini. Let's see. Okay, remind ko lang uli kayo, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo isa-isa. Okay, if you're ready to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. At ang palatandaan na nag-iisa at legit account natin ay isa lang ang fina-follow ko, which is yung backup account natin kay Angeles 11. Ingat po sa mga scammers, alright? Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of February. Let's see. PM lang para sa inyong personal reading. Like and follow ang ating page, ang ating post, yung mga readings. Para this is for you to help, no? Yung page natin, energetically help the page. Okay, may nakikita ako ditong energy where there is totoo naman yung feelings, pagmamahal nyo para sa isa't isa. Kaya lang may unreadiness, no? May unreadiness. This is lies, over-promising about commitment. So, ibig sabihin, totoo yung feelings, mahal nyo yung isa't isa. But then, magkaiba kasi yung you're ready to love someone and you're ready to commit. Okay? Someone feels so hurt about a certain situation here na nangyari at iniisip ng feminine, nagbibigay na ba ng attention sa iba yung masculine? Trying to avoid conflict, may mga inaayos about financial stability because of nagkaroon ng mga issues about financial stability, mga plano because of mga wrong judgment, mga maling decision in the past. Okay? But right now, I feel nagkakaroon ng trying to fix the situation, especially if this involves money. Trying to find the silver lining ng situation, naging mabigat, maraming tampuhan, maraming misunderstanding. This is the energy of like may awareness yung feminine that the masculine is like entertaining other people. Sa connection na to, nagkaroon ng toxicity at paulit-ulit na lies. And yun nga, hindi kasi ready yung masculine to commit. So nagkaroon ng paulit-ulit na toxicity, lies, dishonesty. Someone is trying to move forward and like entertain new people. Okay? Merong mga pinag-iisipan kasi dito, especially on the side of the masculine. Ano ba talaga yung gusto niyang traits ng isang makakasama sa buhay? Ready ba siya talagang mag-commit? And right now, sabi ng feminine sa connection na to, parang sobrang wounded na siya, no? Because I feel this is not the first time na na-disappoint yung feminine about a committed partnership. The reason for the reading is like you trigger each other, naubos ang pasensya, and I feel, sabi nung masculine sa connection na to, parang mas peaceful, no? Mas okay sana na bitiwan muna ang connection na to detach himself kasi yun nga, hindi ready and lagi na lang may misunderstanding. Reason pa, sabi ng mga Gemini, nag-iisip mabuti, ano ba talaga yung dapat gawin? Ano ba talaga yung dapat unahin? Priorities. Trying also to juggle trabaho, buhay, personal growth, relationship. The masculine disconnection, nagkaroon, especially no, kung yung masculine ang Gemini here, nagkaroon siya ng energy na gusto niyang i-keep sana yung connection, but nag-decide pa rin siya eventually to walk away. And right now, the masculine is on the self-preservation mode, but I feel, pinag-isipan namang mabuti, kumbaga weighing the options, and like calculated risk kung ano ba talaga yung dapat decision, but I feel someone walk away already. So may prayers and manifestations sa mga Gemini na sana matapos na yung confusion, magkaroon na ng sagot yung mga tanong sa isip. Because sabi ng mga Gemini, gusto rin naman niyang magbigay ng effort sa isang relationship or any kind of partnership, business, or love pag alam niyang ito na yung wish fulfillment niya. But for now, the Gemini feels uncertain sa kung anong gusto. Marami pa rin inaayos sa sarili, mga toxicity, and nandun pa rin sa proseso of like growing up and like transitioning from like, going towards mas reliable partner, mas matured at responsable. Okay? May tinatawid pa na transformation for now. Sabi nung Gemini, parang hindi siya ready right now na mag-offer ng any love, communication, apology. Marami rin naging disappointing situation here. Nahirapan din mag-move forward. But the Geminis are manifesting matapos na lahat ng mga burden. I feel for some of you, may communication pa naman kahit paano. Marami na rin bagay na tinanggap sa relationship na to na non-negotiable. I feel yung mga Gemini nagfo-focus na sa sarili, decided munang mag-focus sa sarili at hindi priority ang relationship, okay? Sabi ng person ng Gemini, hindi pa tapos yung relationship na to, nahirapan silang mag-detach, namimiss pa rin nila yung companionship ng Gemini. So may fear and doubt yung mga Gemini na kung ano yung inaayos nila sa buhay, partnership, business, and love, matutuloy ba to, makukuha ba yung financial stability, at ready ba talaga for a relationship. Because I feel nagkaroon ng pattern sa relationship where nagkaroon ng lies, walang na-build, because laging may nai-involve na other party. Okay? So until the end of April, there is an energy of like may mari-reveal na naman. Kasi I feel, kahit paano nag-uusap pa rin, or may connection, or energetically connected pa rin kayo sa isa't isa. So I feel until the end of April, okay, sorry. May mari-reveal na naman, May maa-unearth na sikreto, mga bagay na sinubukang itago. But sabi ng feminine, ano ba yung nangyayari dito? Gusto naman niyang ipaglaban yung relationship, but there is an energy of like, maaari na namang magdala ng overthinking, the feeling of depression and sadness. Marireveal ang katotohanan. Sabi ng feminine, kailangan ng transformation sa relationship na to kung talagang ang goal ay magkaroon ng long-term commitment. Okay? But I feel mas may effort yung feminine. Kasi sabi ng feminine, ano ba tong pinaglalaban na to? Saan ba talaga to papunta? Puro na lang toxicity. Yung masculine, hindi siya ready to grow up, to be responsible. May mga bagay kasing nasasabi, na this is like nasabi, but hindi na panindigan. At maaaring magdala ng disappointing situation na naman. So, yeah, I don't feel na magkakaroon ng mabilis, at agad-agad na transformation, maturity, readiness, especially sa side ng masculine. You might be dealing with a Capricorn, Pisces, Libra, Aqua, Gemini. Yeah. So, yeah, to balance your heart chakra, Madagascar Rose Quartz, to connect with your intuition and to have mental clarity, Amethyst Crystal, and for grounding of your emotions and anti-negative energy to protect yourself from negative energy, Madagascar Black Tourmaline. Okay? For now, medyo wala pa akong makitang good news, but I feel the feminine is willing to take another chance. But syempre, pag magbibigay ng another chance at wala pang napuprove masculine, careful with your feelings.
Manifest, manifest, manifest.